Hello everyone, Kimberly here. Welcome to day 5 of the Speak English Without Fear 33-day challenge. In the last few days, we've talked about the real obstacles you face. Day 1, we talked about shame and fear. Day 2, going blank. Day 3, the robotic voice. Day 4, forgetting everything that you study. And today, we stepped into one of the most destructive pains of all, starting English, stopping, and restarting, and living inside this cycle for years. If you've ever felt like you're always going back to the beginning, you're not alone. And today, we break that cycle. You start full of excitement, you buy the new course, download the trendy app, binge all the motivation videos. And for a week, maybe 2, it feels amazing. You tell yourself, now it's going to happen. But then real life kicks in. Your routine gets heavy, work drains you, you're tired, you skip a day, and then you skip another day. And then suddenly you skipped a month. The guilt comes, the shame comes, motivation dies. Then one day you start to feel motivated again, and you start the cycle all over. It's a loop that steals your time, your money, and worst of all, your self-confidence. You are not inconsistent. You are simply using the wrong method to build consistency. People think they lack discipline, but the truth is discipline is the result. It's never the starting point. Your brain needs fuel to stay committed. It needs micro victories, small wins that prove, I can do this. And when you don't feel progress, motivation dies, discipline dies. Consistency is not about forcing yourself. It's about having a system that makes you want to come back tomorrow. One step at a time, but each step actually leading somewhere. Let's break this cycle today with the 5-minute fluent window. I want you to choose one specific time during your day and dedicate just 5 minutes to English. Don't worry about perfection, no pressure, just consistency. Let me give you a few ways to choose from to put this into practice. For example, you take 5 minutes listening to a song while reading the lyrics. 5 minutes repeating 3 real sentences from your day. 5 minutes shadowing someone on YouTube. 5 minutes reviewing one phrasal verb with real life sentences. 5 minutes practicing a sentence you actually need to use at work. The goal is not to learn a lot. It's to commit to learning one thing a day and to be consistent. Do this for 5 consecutive days. You'll feel the first micro victory, and that changes everything. Consistency is built brick by brick, not a whole castle all at once. Comment 5 minutes if you're going to try this technique today, or type consistency if you're tired of stopping and starting again. 5 minutes may sound small, like a small amount of time, but what if those 5 minutes were the most productive 5 minutes of your day? With my method, I tell you exactly what to do in those 5 minutes, so they become powerful, intentional, and effective. I guide you into a routine of micro sessions that actually move you forward. And more than that, I give you accountability. Someone who tracks your progress, checks your patterns, and helps you adjust to the plan when life gets busy. Instead of letting you quit, we keep up with you. This transforms the start, stop, start pattern into a steady upward climb. This is why my students accelerate years in 12 months, not because they're more disciplined, but because they finally have direction and support. You might be thinking, Kimberly, I struggle with being disciplined. Let me tell you a truth everyone understands. No one is born disciplined. Discipline is built, and it is built through results. If you don't see progress, discipline dies. But when you see progress, even small progress, your brain wakes up. I help you create a system that builds discipline through visible, tangible wins. Stop blaming your lack of discipline. start blaming your method. Imagine finally maintaining something you started. Imagine seeing your English improve, not in big explosions, but in a consistent upward climb. Imagine no longer feeling ashamed, guilty, or stuck. Consistency is the key to every great goal. And in learning to speak English, consistency is the difference between someday and I am finally bilingual. In 12 months with the right system and commitment, you can see a huge change in your English that will amaze you. If you're tired of this cycle, if you want to build real consistency, I invite you to the strategic X-ray session. In this free session, we diagnose your inconsistency cycle, what makes you quit, what breaks your routine, and how to create a micro-win plan designed for your life. Comment consistent here in the chat or send me consistent in the DMs. My team will send you the link. Spots are limited. Each X-ray is for someone who really wants to stop the on-again, off-again cycle and start moving forward. This is challenge number 5 of 33. We've covered shame, going blank, the robotic voice, forgetting, and today, inconsistency. Tomorrow, we will confront another pain, always with micro teachings and always showing the real path to fluency. If you want to stop on the on-again, off-again cycle for good, hit subscribe and turn on the notifications. Share this with someone who is stuck in this vicious cycle. Your consistency isn't something you're born with. It's a skill that can be developed. I'm Kimberly, and I'm here to help you build that skill, brick by brick. I'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Until then, show up for your 5 minutes, commit to 1 victory a day. Goodbye, and God bless.